So how to install the SeaWorld app? It's a must-have app if you plan to visit to this park. Um, it's a must-have in-park companion for your entire experience in Orlando, San Antonio, San Diego. It's free and easy to use. Plan your day in the park. Discover park amenities, including animal experiences, shows, rides, events, and dining. View upcoming show times so you can plan your next move. Upgrade your in-park experience with a quick queue, all-day dining deal, or reserved seating for shows. Switch locations when traveling to other parks. So yeah, keep your tickets on your phone, preview details and options, make informed choices, find your happy place faster, and then you can just open it up and then find your way. Then you can sign in or you can create an account, or you can just then select your park. You can see all the experiences, shows and presentation, rides, events, and then you can see your visit. You can see your tickets, and then you can see your map. So yeah, that's